Maharashtra. I have completed my masters from Goa University. And yes, I am a fellow of first batch of Digital Swaraj Fellowship, which is conducted by Digital Empowerment Foundation. As a Digital Swaraj Fellow, I led a Digitable project where we analyzed the Samaj Sushnapreneur model of Digital Empowerment Foundation. During this project, I worked with more than 350 persons with disabilities from different states of India. I worked with more than 350 persons with disabilities and managed a team of 22 surveyors from more than 17 states of India. During this survey, we understand the Samaj Sushnapreneur model, its impact and social return of investment in the lives of persons with disabilities. The main aim of this fellowship was to create a social change maker which work with grassroots level and create an impact, a positive impact by becoming a digitally social change maker and leader. So therefore, I joined this fellowship to use technology to make a real difference in people's life. With my science background and a strong desire to help, this fellowship was the perfect fit for me. The key milestone and moments of this fellowship journey was during my rural immersion days. I worked with mixed community. I worked with grassroots level persons, meet different people, understand their stories, and this will help me to understand community engagement. And some of the key moments during my fellowship include that completing a detailed report on how digital tools can help PWDs, then organizing events like Digital Green Prakriya in Hyderabad and the Rural Entrepreneurship Fest in West Bengal were also highlights of my journey. Yeah, these events helped me to understand community engagement and promote digital skills and entrepreneurship. If I think about challenges, one of the biggest challenges was collecting accurate data from different regions and backgrounds. I overcome this by training our surveyors well, using digital tools, interacting with them, understand their problem, and facilitating the community engagement and finding quick solution to understand problems and solving them as they came up. If I think about the evolution of digital understanding, throughout the fellowship, my understanding of digital tools grew a lot. At first, I saw them as just a helpful aids, but soon I realized how they can change lives by making things more inclusive and accessible for everyone. There are many valuable lessons I learned during my fellowship journey. Looking back, I learned that being adaptable and empathetic is the key of working in social sector. Working with diverse communities taught me to approach challenges with flexibility and to understand the unique need of each person. One example of our Digitable project's impact is Pratap Singh, a person with disability from a rural area in Alwar, Rajasthan. Thanks to Samaj Sushnapreneur model, he learned to start his center. This improved his income and boosted his confidence. He also received the first prize in Differently Able Changemaker category in the REDF event at West Bengal for his work and commitment. One of the key advice to future fellows or anyone who wanted to work in digital landscape in India and create an impact and create a change is to embrace learning and innovation. Stay committed, work well with others, and always try to make difference, to make a change and become a change maker.